Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emily. Hi, Alex. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Emily. Actually, I'm feeling pretty happy because my birthday is coming soon.
Oh, wow, that's exciting. Happy early birthday, Alex.
Thank you. So today I thought we could talk about birthdays, how people celebrate them, and what they mean to us.
That's a fun topic. Everyone loves birthdays. Let's begin.
So, Emily, let's start with a simple question. What's a birthday?
Well, a birthday is the anniversary of the day someone was born. It's a special day we celebrate every year.
Right. It's like your personal holiday, your own special day to celebrate yourself.
Exactly. It's a time when friends and family show love, give gifts, and make you feel special.
Yes. Some people love birthdays, and others prefer to keep them quiet. Which type are you, Emily?
I like small celebrations. Maybe dinner with family and a little cake. Nothing too big. You?
Oh, I love birthday parties. Music, games, cake, and friends. That's my style.
I can see that. You sound like the life of the party.
Do you remember your childhood birthdays, Emily?
Oh, yes. When I was little, my parents always made me a big cake with candles. I used to get so excited to blow them out.
Ah, that's sweet. What kind of cake did you like?
Chocolate. Always chocolate. What about you, Alex?
Vanilla cake with strawberries. My mom used to bake it every year. It was my favorite.
That sounds delicious. Did you invite your friends to your birthday parties as a kid?
Of course. We played games like musical chairs and pin the tail on the donkey.
Oh, those were so much fun. I remember playing those too. Simple games, but full of laughter. You know, Alex, birthdays are celebrated differently in every country.
Yes. For example, in the United States, people usually have cake, candles, and sing happy birthday.
In Mexico, they have a piñata, a colorful figure filled with candies. Kids try to break it with a stick while blindfolded.
That's awesome. In Korea, people eat seaweed soup on their birthday. It's a sign of health and respect for mothers.
Interesting. And in some countries, people throw flour or eggs at their friends on birthdays.
That's wild. I think I prefer cake instead of eggs on my head.
Same here. But it's fun to learn about these traditions.
Let's imagine you're planning a birthday party. What's the first thing you do?
I choose a theme. Maybe something like tropical beach or movie night.
That's fun. I'd probably start with food. You know me, food comes first.
Of course. So what kind of food would you have?
Pizza, burgers, ice cream, and of course a big cake.
That sounds like a perfect party. I'd also prepare music and decorations, balloons, lights, and banners.
Yes, decorations make it feel festive. And don't forget the guest list. Who to invite?
Right. I'd invite close friends and family, people who make me happy.
Same here. Quality over quantity.
Let's talk about gifts. What's the best birthday gift you've ever received?
I think it was a camera from my parents. It helped me start photography, which I still love today.
That's beautiful. A gift that becomes a passion.
Yes. How about you?
For me, it was a handwritten letter from my best friend. It was so meaningful and full of memories.
That's really sweet. Sometimes the best gifts aren't expensive. They're thoughtful.
Exactly. It's the love and effort that matters most.
What do you usually say when you wish someone a happy birthday?
Usually, happy birthday. I hope all your dreams come true.
Nice. I often say, wishing you a year full of happiness and success.
Those are great. And don't forget, people also say have a wonderful day or enjoy your special day.
Yes, simple but warm.
And in some countries, they sing the birthday song in their own language. That's always fun.
True. Everyone clapping and singing together, that's the best part.
Do you have any funny or embarrassing birthday memories, Alex?
Oh, yes. One time I blew out the candles too fast and my hair almost caught fire.
Oh no, that must have been scary.
It was. Everyone laughed so hard. What about you?
One year my friend surprised me with a cake, but they smashed it into my face.
Classic. That's a birthday you'll never forget.
Definitely. I smelled like frosting all day.
Do you think birthdays feel different when we grow up?
Yes, very different. When we're kids, birthdays are about fun, gifts, and cake. When we're adults, it's more about reflection.
That's true. We start thinking about what we've achieved and what we want for the next year.
Exactly. But it's still a good reason to celebrate life and be thankful.
I agree. Every birthday is a blessing, a chance to start fresh.
Let's teach our listeners some common birthday vocabulary.
Okay, first word, cake. A sweet dessert people eat on birthdays.
Next one, candles. Small sticks of wax you put on the cake, you blow them out and make a wish.
Gift. Something you give to someone on their birthday.
Party. A celebration with food, music, and fun.
Wish. When you hope for something good to happen.
And balloons. Colorful decorations filled with air or helium.
Perfect. These are great words for our English learners to practice.
Alex, what do birthdays mean to you personally?
For me, a birthday is a time to be thankful for my family, friends, and life itself.
That's beautiful. I feel the same. It's also a time to forgive, to start new goals, and to appreciate what we have.
Yes, each year is a new chapter in our story.
Exactly. Growing older isn't something to fear, it's something to celebrate.
Is there any birthday tradition from another country you'd like to try?
Yes, I'd love to try the piñata from Mexico. It looks so fun.
Good choice. I'd like to try a surprise trip, going somewhere new on my birthday without knowing the destination.
That sounds amazing. A birthday full of adventure.
Yes, memories are the best gifts.
Well, Alex, this has been such a lovely talk about birthdays.
It really has. We shared stories, traditions, and even some funny moments.
And I hope our listeners learned some new English words and ideas too.
Me too. Remember, everyone, birthdays aren't just about age or gifts. They're about celebrating life.
Beautifully said. And don't forget to celebrate not just your birthday, but every day you're alive.
I love that. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining us today on Podcast English Channel.
We'll see you next time with another fun and easy English conversation.
Until then, stay happy, stay learning, and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.